Okay, here is a quick review of the Aircat 1600-TH-A1. One stands for 1-inch drive. There is no information on the 1-inch drive version of this impact wrench. There's only some information on the 3/4 version. And also, I want to do a review of the 1-inch drive Sunex universal joint and a review of the Proto 1-inch drive deep 1 and 1/16 socket. Oh yeah, in the protective boot. Forgot to mention that. Hard to put on and hard to take off. Yeah, nobody's ever showed it with the boot either. The boot will fit the 1-inch or 3/4 version of this impact wrench. Okay, put that to the side. Here is the Sunex 1-inch drive universal. And the US made J10017L. Okay, let's put it together now. A lot of weight here. And also here, 3/8 half-inch body is the only way I go on my 1-inch and 3/4 stuff.